Hi, I'm Ian Luff coming to you from Oran Park Raceway. I get asked many times by people, why would you want to modify or change the suspension on a perfectly good motor vehicle? With the Ultimate Suspension Kit, it really eliminates that dreaded body roll or body movement, and particularly the fore and aft pitch of the vehicle that can make people have motion sickness. It really is the ultimate suspension package, and it does deliver what we call the ultimate in safety. Imagine if you were confronted by a situation like this on the public road. You're forced to brake heavily or turn rapidly to avoid the accident. The suspension on a vehicle naturally creates body movement and potentially pitch. With the Ultimate Suspension, that is significantly reduced, making the car a lot safer and a lot more controllable for the driver. The same speed, same conditions, we could see the vehicle was far more controllable, a lot more safe, which really makes the Ultimate Suspension Enhancement System something which is a positive. Big factor in off-road driving is having increased clearance so you can safely negotiate all sorts of terrain and get to your destination with complete safety. For those drivers that want to go off-road, having limited clearance on a standard vehicle is going to limit your performance. By raising the suspension, that gives you greater clearance, better safety, and it allows you to get on with the journey and have fun at the same time. Well, there you have it. The ultimate choice, and it is the Ultimate Suspension. The Ultimate Suspension is a wholly owned Australian company that design and manufacture to the highest world standards. The Ultimate Suspension is a family business that produces a comprehensive range of suspension systems. Established in 1976, these systems are sold in Australia and throughout the world. Ultimate Suspension systems are used by the mining industry, military, government departments including police, as well as international organisations such as NATO. The Ultimate Suspension is a tried and proven safety enhancement system. To find out more, check out our website or contact us directly at The Ultimate Suspension.